The team, led by CDC's Senior Response Officer, Captain Salim October, visited and distributed water and cleaning detergents to assist residents in returning their homes to normalcy. Anika Bisoun was one of several persons who were affected and received assistance from the CDC. Bisoun shared what her home was like when the natural disaster occurred.
I was awake around 6 o'clock in the morning. When I awake, the water was at the back of the house, and in split seconds the water get into the house. So you couldn't get to move, nothing particular until.
However, she was happy that an intervention was made and support was given.
Well, whatever they give, I'm satisfied.
Captain October said that the CDC will continue to monitor the area and ensure residents receive the necessary sanitary supplies.
We're concerned particularly about health and safety issues, and so we would have distributed cleaning hampers to help residents to engage in an exercise that will see them clean up their premises so that it could be sanitized and disinfected to help them to return to normalcy. This is particularly important because, disease transmission at this time could be heightened.
October advised that the above normal high tide remains in effect until Wednesday. Persons are urged to take necessary precautions. Isaiah Braffett for InfoHub.